Class 8 Mathematics. Today I am going to discuss question number 11 and 12 of exercise 8.3 chapter 8 comparing quantities. Our first question number 11. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. See here, this is a question which is the application of compound interest formula. In the question it is given that the bacteria's initially count is 5,06,000 and the bacteria will increase at the rate of 2.5% per hour. We can calculate at the end of 2 hours. That means after 2 hours, what will be the count of bacteria? So here the initial count of bacteria is given, that we are taken as our principal, and increasing rate is given, that we are taking as rate of interest R. That is increasing rate we are taking as R, and time is 2 hours. So we can take n equal to 2 and we can apply this information by using compound interest formula. So we can see the initial count of bacteria is taken as B, that is 5,06,000. Increasing rate is taken as R, 2.5%. That can be written as 25 upon 10% per hour. Time is taken as 2 hours, therefore n equal to 2. The count of bacteria at the end of 2 hours or after 2 hours, that we are taking as the amount. So our formula is A equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to n. Substitute the value over here, we get 5,06,000 into 1 plus 25 upon 100 into 10 whole square. You can cancel 25 and 100, we will get 1 upon 4. So 1 plus 1 upon 4 into 10. So the bracket will become 1 plus 1 upon 40 whole square. So while solving the bracket, we get 5,06,000 into 41 multiplied by 41 whole divided by 40 into 40. We can multiply the denominator. So we get 5,06,000 into 41 into 41 whole divided by 1,600. Here in the numerator 5,06,000 and in the denominator 1,600. 400 is common, so we can cancel or divide both the numerator and denominator by 400. So we get in the numerator as 1265 into 41 into 41 and the denominator as 4. So while multiplying 1265 into 41 into 41 whole divided by 4 will gives 21,26,465 divided by 4. The given number is not divisible by 4, so you can do the long division which is given here. So we get the answer as 5,31,616.25. So the count of bacteria is asking, so we can round this number. So after the decimal point it is 2, so we can round off into the given number will become 5,31,616. As the first decimal number is less than 2, we are not considering the number. So we get the answer as 5,31,616 approximately. Therefore, the count of bacteria after 2 hours will be 5,31,616 approximately. Now we move to the next question, last question of this chapter, question number 12. A scooter was bought at 42,000 rupees. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. Read the question carefully. You can understand this is also an application of compound interest formula. This question is the application of compound interest formula. But children, here you have to take care that here given depreciated rate is given. That means the value is decreasing at the rate of 8% per annum. Till this we have discussed the question which is of increasing rate only. So we are using the compound interest formula as usual as itself only. Here it is given depreciated rate, so we can make a small change in the formula. Our formula become A equal to P into 1 minus R upon 100 whole raised to N. Here it is given the scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. So our principal is rupees 42,000. That is the initial cost of scooter. And the depreciated rate is given as 8% P dot A. And we can find the value after 1 year. That means time equal to 1 year. Hence N equal to 1. What we have to find out? Yes, we are calculating the value of scooter after 1 year. If we are connecting this with our compound interest formula, we have to find the amount. So the cost of scooter after 1 year we can take as A. Now we can write the formula here. A equal to P into 1 minus R upon 100 raised to N. Be careful, here we are giving minus sign because in the question given that depreciated rate. That means decreasing rate is given. So the formula we are changing 1 minus R upon 100 is taken here. Now you can apply the value over here. So we get A equal to 42,000 into 1 minus 8 upon 100. We can cancel 8 and 100. Both can divide by 4. So you will get a 2 upon 25. So 42,000 into 1 minus 2 upon 25 raised to 1. After simplifying the bracket, you will get 25 minus 2 upon 25. That means 23 upon 25. So we will get 42,000 into 23 upon 25. Now you can cancel 42,000 and 25. The numerator become 1,680 and the denominator become 1. Now we can multiply the numerator, that is 1,680 multiplied by 23, which gives rupees 38,640. Thus the value of the scooter after 1 year will be rupees 38,640. So thank you for watching the video. If you like, please like, subscribe and share with your contacts. Now we will be back with chapter number 9.